No more shake. There's not much of a speaker here. I can never seem to talk into it. No more shake. No more misfire. Lots of power. Awesome. Piggyback or spliced the number 2 fuel injector into the number 1 fuel injector because of a misfire caused by a bad ECM. By splicing it together and using the signal off of the number 2 wire, now the number 1 wire gets a pulse. So because the timing is different, the fuel arrives early and sits in the import, the intake port, until the valve opens. Now I have a smooth running engine. No more misfire. Awesome.